How to make ChatGPT 5 sound more like ChatGPT 4. Now, with the recent ChatGPT 5 update, you might not be liking the way it responds. You might have been used to with the default ChatGPT 4 model's response. Well, there are still some tweaks that you can do, but before we get started, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, now let's get started. So first we launched the ChatGPT app. Whether or not you have premium is a different matter. Normally ChatGPT 5 is only accessible by premium users. Even though I'm showing you the tutorial on my free account, you can use this same process to make the latest ChatGPT 5 sound more or less like ChatGPT 4. Once you launch the app, tap on the two lines menu icon which is located towards the top left of the screen, then tap on this profile icon from the top right hand side. When we do that, we'll find all these various options, and one of the options again from the top will be the option called Personalization. Tap this little Personalization tab, and when we do that, you'll be able to see the option to add a custom instruction. Now within the custom instruction, you simply have to instruct it to be more or less like ChatGPT 4. I will leave a certain prompt down below in the description. You can simply copy that and paste it over here. Or normally you can simply ask it to require use a more warmer, more conversational tone, like using emojis and shorter sentences. You can direct it to act as a helpful, witty, and empathetic assistant, avoiding the more formal or corporate style that can occur whenever you're using ChatGPT 4's model. Normally this will replicate the ChatGPT 4 or the 4.0 experience. And this way you can make your ChatGPT 5 sound more or less like ChatGPT 4. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.